Hello everyone, Toyosi Ogunbowale is my name. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to give back the $50 gift certificate that you got when you signed up with AI marketing. Now let's go right into it, okay? Now when you sign into your account, the first thing you need to do, of course, is to sign into your account, right? When you log in, you'll see your dashboard. Now, when you see your dashboard, what you need to do is to scroll down, okay? You come down to where you have the tab that says transfer. You click on it. When you click on it, it immediately prompts you to give back the gift certificate you received. Of course, that's because you haven't withdrawn anything yet, and you are not allowed to withdraw anything yet until you give it back. Now, you just need to click on give back here, and let's see what happens. Okay, success, certificate was returned. Okay, and that brings us to the end of this video. If you liked this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.